Today our topic is Euler's method. In mathematics and computational science, it is the most basic explicit method for numerical integration of ordinary differential equations. The Euler method is a first-order numerical procedure for solving ordinary differential equations with a given initial value. So, we can determine the approximate solution of any ordinary differential equation by this method. In order to use Euler's method to generate a numerical solution to an initial value problem of the form dy dx equals to fxy, that is yx0 equals to y0, means if the value of x is x0, it is the initial value, then the value of y is y0. We chop this interval into small subdivisions of length h. Using the initial condition as our starting point, we generate the rest of the solution by using the iterative formulas like xn equals to xn minus 1 plus h, and then yn equals to yn minus 1 plus h into f xn comma yn. To find the coordinates of the points in our numerical solution, we terminate this process when we have reached the right end of the desired interval. Take one example, then this will be clear for you. Discussion. Consider the differential equation IVP initial value problem, means initial value is given. So, if the equation dy dx equals to fxy and the initial value of x equals to x0, then corresponding value of y is y0. It is given. Now, the problem is I have to calculate what is the value of yxn. If the value of x is xn, then what is the value of yn? I have to calculate using Euler's method. So, the formula yn equals to yxn is equals to yn minus 1 plus h f xn minus 1 comma yn minus 1, where h equals to xn minus 1, that is xn equals to x0 plus nh, means if n equals to 1, y1 equals to yx1 is equals to y0 plus h f x0 y0, or if n equals to 2, y2 is equals to yx2 is equals to y1 plus hf x1 y1. If n equals to 3, y3 equals to yx3 is equals to y2 plus hf x2 comma y2. In this way, take one mathematical problem. Find y 2.2 using Euler's method from the equation dy dx equals to minus xy square with y2 equals to 1. So, our equation is dy dx equals to minus xy square and the initial value is given y2 equals to 1. That is when the value of x is 2, value of y is 1. Now, I have to calculate what is the value of y 2.2. So, what is the formula for Euler's method? This is the formula for Euler's method we already discussed. Now, see the solution. Now, what is the value of x0? That is the initial value of x, it is given, it is 2. What is the value of y0? That is the initial value of y, it is given, it is 1. Now, y2 value is given, I have to calculate the value of y 2.2. So, from 2 to 2.2, I am taking 4 small intervals, that is let n equals to 4. You can take any small intervals. You can take 8 also. But by saying this math, saying these numericals, I am taking 4 small intervals. So, by this formula xn equals to x0 plus nh, what is the value of h? It is xn, that is 2.2, minus x0, that is 2, divided by n, that is 4, and I am getting h equals to 0.05. Now this table, in this table there are 4 columns. First n, total number of intervals, then xn equals to x0 plus nh, then the formula yn equals to yn minus 1 hf xn minus 1 comma yn minus 1, and next column is yn plus 1. Now see how many number of intervals are there? 4. So first time it is 1, then 2, then 3, and then 4. So first time, what is the value of x1? x1 equals to x0 plus n value is 1, 1 into h. So what is the value of x1? x1 is x0, that is 2, plus what is the value of h? It is 0.05. So we get the value 2.05. Next time, it is x2 equals to x0 plus 2h, and by giving the value x0 as 2 and h as 0.05, I get this value. Next time, in this way, I get this value x3 equals to x0 plus 3h, and after calculation, I get this value, and x4 equals to x0 plus 4h, x0 value is 2 and h value is 0.05. After calculation, I get this value. Next column. What is yn? That is y1. It is yn minus 1, that is n value is 1, that is y0 plus h f xn minus 1 comma yn minus 1. So that is f x0 comma y0. So our equation is minus x y square. So here you have to write h, and this function by x0 and y0, it is h minus x0 y0 square. So y0 value is 1, x0 value is 2 and h value is 0.05. So after calculation, I get the value y1. It is 0.90. Next time value of n is 2. So y2 equals to y1 plus h minus x1 y1 square. Now see, one thing, it is very important, remember this thing, in place of f x1 comma y1 you are writing this minus x1 y1 square. So no need to write f again here, then it will be wrong. Remember this thing, it is very important. So you know what is the value of y1, it is 0.90. What is the value of x1, it is 2.05. What is the value of h, it is 0.05. After calculation, I get this result. Now, what is the value of y n plus 1? First time, if n is 1, yn plus 1 means y2. What is the value of y2? This is the value of y2. So here I have to write the value of y2. Next time, what is y3? y3 is y2 plus h minus x2 y2 square. So y2 is this value, x2 is this value and h is this value. After calculation, I get the result. So this is y3 value. I have to write y3 value here. In the same way, I can calculate the value of y4 and I have to write y4 value here. And this is our result. Now it's time to practice. So this is your problem set. Try to solve this problem. First pause your video, take one screenshot and then solve. If you are facing any problem, then comment me in the comment section, then I will give you the solution. So after each problem, see, the answer is given by the blue ink. Now I am showing the total problem set. For getting more and more updates, please like, share and subscribe my channel. That's all for today. Thank you.